Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today we will draw a dinosaur. So let's start with drawing its face. We will take a shape of rectangle and try to draw its face. Make a small hump for eye and then a curve for mouth. Now a circle for a big eye of dinosaur. Keep it clean. Now we'll make the body. Now we will make the leg. Now we will make the pattern of triangle for the design of the back of dinosaur. It's very simple. Just make two lines as triangle in the back of dinosaur. Let's start coloring the dinosaur. I've used a light green color for the whole body. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Here I have used yellow color and then the dark green color for the patterns.